more shout out, our balloons.
Ano pa? There's more from you. Sabi niya, sobrang LSS ako sa feel good. Hindi siya maalis sa isip ko, pero mas hindi maalis sa isip ko si Maloy. Yay! See you soon, Bini! Nak.
Oh, more!
Meron ba?
Ayaw,
More! Yes, ito. From Nate. I just left the Philippines recently, so I can't go to Beanie's album showcase. So, take this. Congratulations on your new album, girls. Hopefully, I can watch you girls live one day. All the best, love. All the best from London.
Nag-send po siya ng 50 pounds.
Wow, 50
Slay.
pounds.
And
Ooh.
may comment, Blink for the Pinks. Excited for Strings 2 and will promote it later to Stan Twitter later. Super worth it mag-support sa P-pop artists. Slay! Period.
Keep supporting P-pop.
And from Mackie World, No Fear is my fave song from your Feel Good album. Congrats, Beanie. Thank you, ABS-CBN.
Thank you po.
Thanks, Mackie World. And there's one pa from Bong Gonzalez. Hi, Bong.
Hi, Bong!
Hi. Sabi niya, love you, girls. You deserve everything. See you October 28th. See you.
Si Bong yung nag-Ems, yung nagagano sa TikTok. Yung na-meet natin sa Maybelline shoot.
Yeah.
Ito naman.
Meron pa. Go.
The very special Mark Francis De Vera. Wow! What a great birthday gift po itong Feel Good album release. So, Bob. Slay! Congratulations po. Thanks, Kuya Franco.
Ay, birthday pala ni Kuya Franco. Kasi sabi niyang birthday gift eh.
Yeah.
Happy birthday
Happy
po.
birthday.
And from Julie Ann Kidat, hi Bini, hindi po ako nakaget over sa lagi. Ito na naman ang Hi Master Joe, love ka ni Aliyah and so much. Slay! Congratulations, Beanie. We love you all so much, girls. Super proud kami sa inyo and thank you for giving us so much happiness. And from Nelson Ocampo, charot. From Nelson about
Huwag muna tayo umuwi.
OST material.
Yes,
I know, right?
Let's manifest it. Hopefully,
I mean-
magamit siya soon. Ito pa. Meron pa from Rachel Guevara. Shout out! Yes.
Yo.
Every track is a bop. Congrats, best girls. Thank you for thinking it as a bop. Bop.
Okay. Meron pa or I think
No,
Meron pa.
no.
There's more coming.
From Ana Imperial. Hi, Bini. Grabe talaga improvement nyo. I love you so much. Hope to see you soon.
Panoorin natin mga sumali sa trend, sa challenge. Yan. Number 1 dyan si Kuya Nelson. Okay. Shout out to
Shyla Merrill. Joke lang. Shout out to Rostin Andre Mejia. Good evening po mga ate ng Bini. Watching from City of Davao. Wow! We miss you, Davao.
Yes.
Sobrang saya doon. Ana Imperial. Hi, Bini. Grabe talaga improvement niyo. I love you so much. Hope to see you soon. Thank you po. Hope to see you soon.
Salamat po.
From Amy Slingson. Hi, girls. Watching from Cotabato City. Wow! Hello po from Cotabato City. From Pabicol and Forever Bini. Hi, Bini. Watching from Bicol, Ate Gwen.
Oh, hello. From Bicol. Marahay na banggi sa intong kabos.
Slay.
Magkita mo, taod-taod kang si music video mi. Oh, from I Miss Sing Son. Hi, girls. Super proud of you. Second album is Slay. Congratulations, girls. Watching from Cotabato City. Wow. And from Andre Isaac Del Valle. Hi, Bini. Birthday ko na po sa October 27 before ng album launching. Oh, let's greet, girls. Let's greet Andre. 2, 3.
Happy birthday,
Andre. Advance.
Happy
yes.
birthday po!
From Era C. Congratulations, my Bini girlies. Oh, okay.
Meron pa ba?
Sige.
Okay.
Pa yung papabasahin. Congrats, Beanie. Lagi, lagi, lagi. Isa pa?
Lagi.
I feel good pag napakinggan ko mga kanta nyo. Excited for your album launch sa October 28. See you soon. Sabi ni Nino. Sabi ni Keb. Keb ba? Get Keb. Oh, Keb. Yes. Thank you, Keb.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Not from Asia. Hello, guys. I'm from Canada. I am Filipino too, and you inspire me so much. I love you forever, Beanie. We love you po. Thank you so much for supporting Beanie.